Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I'm going to show you Video 8 and Hi8 camcorders that you get off eBay. People, you've got a ton of camcorder tapes, videotapes like this, and you think, oh, I'm just going to get a camcorder off eBay. They're only like 30 years old. And I'm going to show you, I've opened these. There's 3 different cameras. So I'm going to show you what you get. This is very typical, okay? This particular one here, and I did get them cheap, but I'm kind of doing this as a little YouTube example. So I have a tape that's put in there. This particular one here powers up, and I've just done let's see if this goes. So there you go. Okay, so that's the Sinus Digital 8, but here we go here. That's what you're getting, and you can see the image. If you fast forward and let go, it disappears. So that's one of two things. That's either worn heads or filthy heads, or a combination. Gonna show you here a cleaning tape. Now this particular tape here, these head cleaners, you go on eBay, speaking of eBay, you will pay $75 to $120 for a head cleaner that's sealed. Let's see if this does the trick. This is a Sony TRV 130, not the 130s. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, this is through eBay. As you can see, like eBay. And let's see, let me just open this bit up here. I mean, you kind of run the tapes for like 10 seconds or so. So that's more than enough. It's stopped again. Let's just run it a little bit more. And just a little bit about me, Phil from Got Memories. I digitize all the videotapes, film reels, you name it, fix equipment. I've been doing this over 20 years. And most of my work now comes in through YouTube, doing these silly little videos, helping people out if you want to do it yourself, or if you want to get me to do it, or if you're shopping around. Good luck, because it is a jungle out there, and most companies suck because they're running your tapes through worn out equipment. They don't get what they're doing. They don't know how to fix equipment. Yeah, this thing, I can hear it. Yeah, this camera is, as we say in England, buggered. That's one down. Let's shut this, and you can skip through the video if I'm boring you too much. I don't really edit my videos because I don't have time. Okay, I'm gonna plug this one up. A lot of these cameras that you see on eBay, I mean, look at this. This is telltale sign it has been used by a transfer company or individual, because they are, the way that you access them is upside down, so it gets moved around a lot. That's always the telltale sign it's had the hell worn out of it, and it's very hard to open. So that's worn there. Let's see, let's put this in camcorder mode, play mode. Let's put a tape in, hit play. Let's see what we get. Doesn't sound good. Make a little you get used to all the, yeah, no picture. Yeah. Reinsert the tape. This camcorder is well and truly, as we say in England, knackered. So let's do that. That's 2 of 2. And let's try the third one, which doesn't look promising because it is battered and it's got the little eyepiece missing and there's tape all over it, which tells you it has been well and truly used. All right, stand by because I'm just wobbling around here, plugging in the power source. Okay, open it up. Oh, okay, power it up. Player. This one. Okay, you got blue screen there, but I'm hitting the eject button right here and doesn't even clock set. Let me push this down even harder. All the way down. Bang. Doesn't even eject. I'm hitting the button. Oh, hold on. I take that back. That's not a good sign though if I've got to really hit it 50 times for it to open. And I might be saying goodbye to that videotape there because it might just get stuck in there. I've got a hunch. All right, hit play. Let's see if we're 3 for 3. That's... Now, some of you watching will be going, that's Digital 8. I have actually recorded within it right now where you don't hear it. Yeah, I recorded just like a 10-second clip in Video 8 or in Hi8. So you'll... Right there is where there should be a Video 8 signal. You can hear the audio. Yeah, and then it's done. That's 3 for 3. And as predicted, I cannot get this tape back. Come on. Yeah, this tape will not come out. It's a good job it's not the $100 cleaning tape. So 3 for 3. What's another word in England for battered? This one's battered. So we've got battered, buggered, and knackered. That is the overview of eBay camcorder purchases. You can even see this one. It's like won't even shut properly. But yeah, these have been used hard and put away wet. Take that as you may. I don't know what connotation that is. Something a little bit naughty. Oh, there we go. It's coming out. These are toast. She's saying America. Anyway, be really, really careful when you're buying these things from Goodwill, Craigslist, OfferUp, all of them. The worst ones are the ones that are brand new. So where they're new in the box and they're sealed and you think, wow, and they cost a fortune. And my experience with brand new equipment is a lot of the times everything's just dried out in there, like the lubricant. There's just all the plastic parts have just shrunk. Yeah. So there's no real guarantee of anything on eBay or anything that you get. You have to watch out, and if you want to get it fixed, like properly fixed, Arizona Video Electronics, Tim, who's located right next door to me here in Phoenix. He is, my door's locked right now, but he's left for the day. But you can just kind of see there, it says camcorder repair. But he is my go-to. If you are looking for a company to transfer your videotapes, film reels, all that, Got Memories, here you go. If you are shopping around for a company to do this and you're looking for the lowest bidder, good luck. You're going to get trash transfers done that look terrible. All of these online box companies are the worst offenders because they are number 1 and number 2 and number 3, profit. Profit. Just get the money off people, make it easy for them to buy a box, shove all their crap in a box, and just get the credit card info. And then do an absolute horrendous job of transferring the tapes because they do not clean the heads. They do not replace the heads on their equipment. They do not monitor the transfers. If they did, I wouldn't have to be redoing jobs galore because this isn't rocket science, but it does take, an element of know-how, but this isn't rocket science. So if you are looking for a transfer company, 2 things you need to look for. Google reviews, period. Forget Yelp. I hate Yelp. It's paid ads. It's Gestapo-y. I don't like Yelp at all. Google reviews, and you need to see a 4.9 or a higher So 4.9, 5.0 with well over 100 reviews, because if there's 20 reviews, it's going to be their neighbors, their grandparents, their friends, family leaving reviews. Once you get past, 100 reviews, they've run out of friends and whatever to leave reviews. So that, and also they must be replying to reviews, because it's just that extra bit of kind of TLC and attention to detail, and that you need to see from a business owner and a company when they're thanking their customers for taking the time to leave a review, because 1 out of 1,000 people leave a review with me. So I'm grateful when they do. And additionally, and this isn't very common, a YouTube channel just like this, where you got the owner or employees just making videos, just shooting it like live, straightforward, to the point, no frills. And you can get a sense of the transparency and the passion and everything that you need to see when you're entrusting the only copy of your home movies to complete strangers. Because this is not an Amazon purchase. This is not buying a pair of shoes that is on, every single retail site and you're price shopping around for the lowest price. This is the reverse. This is one copy of the precious home movies that you hold near and dear to you, of the content that's on it. You want it clear. You want to be able to see it. You want to be able to hear it. You don't want any drama whatsoever. That is what you want. If you don't care about any of those things, either do one or two things. Send it off to the legacy box or throw it in the trash, honestly. Other than that, that's my 2 cents from 20 plus years of doing this. If you don't believe me, you can go to some older videos and see me without gray hair. And you can also, just see hundreds of videos and skip around and you get the feel for it. Gotmemories.com if you want to get a quote. But all the best to you guys out there trying to digitize this stuff yourself. All right. Cheers.